Wow, can we save our Gigantosaurus friends from the two terrible Colossal T-Rexes from Jurassic World? Keep watching. Wow, guys, great to see you. Today we have a big, huge second box full of Gigantosaurus toys. Boy, this is totally awesome. Let's go ahead and open all these up.
Welcome to WDToys. Have fun.
Whoa, guys, Jakks Pacific sent me a second big, huge box full of Gigantosaurus toys. Let's check out what they are. And behind them, I have the two Colossal T-Rexes battling it out. We have to speed it up so they don't eat us. And on the front, we have Rocky, Tiny, Mazu, and Bill. Yes, I learned all their names. So this is the same box we had before, but it's full of new toys. So if you didn't watch my first video, go ahead and check that out first. Okay, so like I said, this is the second box of stuff they sent me, so check out my other video for some cool stuff. So here we have Bill's Bubble. It's like some type of prehistoric flying plane. And then we have Mazu's Mazmobile. Oh, that looks awesome. And then we've got some cool plushes. We have Tiny. We've got Bill. And we have Mazu. And we also have some of these little small figures. This is Dilo. He's a Dilophosaurus. There's some of the other ones you can get. And we had another one here. This is Todor. So it looks like he's some type of a T-Rex, maybe? Huh. And then they sent me some extra stuff here, which is some big dinosaur footprints there, and a cool background to set up for my dinos. Awesome! Let's go ahead and check these out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and check out Bill's Bubble first. Oh, he's right between the T-Rexes. I hope they don't get him. Quick, let's go ahead and unpack Bill's Bubble. So this looks awesome. It says Bill loves bouncing up and down in his bubble car. And you could also get Mazu's Mazmobile, which we have also. Awesome. Let's check it out. I love this Bill's Bubble guy. Look at it. He pops up and down when it rolls. Let's see if we can. That's so cool. I love these toys. I mean, I've seen previews for the show. I've not watched any of the shows yet, but I definitely want to. I think this is something my kids would love. I mean, the characters are so colorful and fun. So, Bill's Bubble. So, really awesome. This looks almost like something they would drive from, like the Flintstones. Awesome! Okay, then next we are going to check out Bill's plush character. Oh wow, this is awesome. It's like almost like bubbly inside, but super soft. And I mean, it looks just like Bill. First thing I want to do is go ahead and free Bill. Yay! Bill is free!
No, the giant T-Rex is trying to eat Bill. What are we gonna do?
Look, it's Bill's brother Bill in the bubble!
Oh, he's attacking the T-Rex. He's driving him back.
Bill has saved Bill! Yay! And now he's gonna go ahead and do the bobbing up and down trick for you guys. Okay, and our next one is gonna be Mazu's Mazmobile. So this one also does have bouncing action. So it says Mazu loves driving her Mazmobile. The wings flap and she bounces up and down as she drives. You could also get Bill's bubble, which we just checked out. Awesome. Let's check it out. Okay, so Mazu's Mazmobile is awesome. When you push it, the wings flap and Mazu bounces up and down. Or if you want, you just roll it and she'll do the same. But the wings are not moving, I think. Okay. That's weird. Looks like it has to be rolling for the wings to move. So let's check that out. Mazu is getting ready for takeoff! Back and forth, she's gonna take off into the sky! So her Mazmobile looks like a big vegetable. You have the green part here, looks like it was growing, and the front of it is like a big flower popping out, and this looks almost like it's a huge tomato. So Mazu is really fast, awesome. His arms do actually move. He could hold the control there. The wings flap up and down, and Mazu moves up and down. How fun is that? So Mazu is getting ready, and he's off into the air. And next we have an awesome tiny push. But the thing is, Tiny is not so tiny here. I mean, Tiny's as bigger actually than Bill. I don't know why they made Tiny bigger than Bill, but he does look really cute. So it says Tiny here, 12 months plus. So go ahead and rip it off, and Tiny is free. Aw, she's so soft and squishable. Really smooth too. I mean, this is almost like velvet. My kids are gonna love this. So Tiny and Mazu are giving each other a hug. They haven't seen each other in such a long time. It's been a whole 5 minutes.
Oh no, but what is this? It's the big evil T-Rex is trying to eat both of them at the same time. Oh no, is this the end of Bill and Tiny? Ta-da-ta-da! What we forgot is Mazu got his plane flying! He flew into the T-Rex's eye! T-Rex is angry now! Mazu gets him again! Mazu's flying right up his mouth and he knocks the T-Rex over! Oh, Mazu has saved his friends! Yay! Now he's coming in for a landing! Okay, then next we have 2 awesome looking figures, and they both look like they're bad guys. So you have Todor here. I mean, that guy just looks evil. And then you have Dilo here, which is a Dilophosaurus, of course. If you look in the back, you could get all of them. You got Gigantosaurus, Tiny, Mazu, Bill, Rocky, Dilo, Carney, Todor, and Cror. So the only one, I got all of these if you watch my last video, except I don't have Carney or Cror. I think those are 2 they haven't come out with yet. Well, anyways, let's go ahead and open these up. I am going to start with Todor. Okay. So Todor is going to be first, and then we're going to go ahead and rip apart Dilo. Maybe they'll battle it out. They do look like they're villains. Okay, so we're going to first go ahead and check out Todor. He does look like maybe he's like a baby Gigantosaurus or something, because if we look at no, maybe not. This is the big Gigantosaurus here. So, maybe he's a T-Rex. I would say possibly Raptor. But I don't really see a 3rd claw unless this is the 3rd claw. But it's possible. I mean, he could be a raptor. He does have movable arms and legs.
and he's just very beady-eyed looking, so definitely think he's a bad guy. And then we've got Dilo. So Dilo also does have moving arms. It's like in almost like a boxing type pose. His legs move. He is a Dilophosaurus, so he's got the big frills here that pop out. He is a little goofy looking, so I don't know if he's a bad guy or not. His tail does move, and Todor's tail also does move. So I'm gonna say Todor is a bad guy. Maybe Dilo is not, or if he is a bad guy, he's a goofy bad guy. So these guys could go ahead and box it out. Who's gonna win? Todor or Dilo? Oh, Todor has won! Yeah! I'm the winner! And then we got our final one, Mazu. So this is a Mazu plush. It does give his name right there. So let's go ahead and free Mazu. So I got a plush of all 4 characters because if you watch my first video, I have a plush of Rocky in that one. So Mazu is a little bit bigger than the other one, but again, super soft and fluffy, very velvety. I mean, if you could brush this and get darker or lighter going down. So Mazu's got like spikes. He's got a cute little fuzzy tail. So I do like Mazu. Mazu looks really awesome. And then here is our other Mazu in his Mazmobile. So Mazu is saying, "Hi everyone! Oh man, it's a big Mazu! Yay! Mazu, Mazu, Mazu!" Oh, that big T-Rex wants revenge. It's gonna eat the Mazus! Oh no! Who can save Mazu before he gets devoured? Oh, it's the Gigantosaurus! Listen to him roar and stomp! Oh, he's attacking the T-Rex! But is it enough? Will it be enough to drive the T-Rex away? Oh no! The T-Rex is gonna eat Mazu! But oh, he falls out of his mouth and Gigantosaurus knocks him down. Yay! Gigantosaurus has saved his friend Mazu. Yay! Okay, so here are all our Gigantosaurus toys we opened today, plus the giant roaring, stomping Gigantosaurus. I opened this one up on the first episode, so if you didn't see that unboxing, go ahead and check it out. It's probably the coolest one. So there is all our Gigantosaurus toy friends. Thanks to Jakks Pacific for sending these to me. I am very grateful. They are awesome toys and the show looks awesome. Thanks for viewing, everyone. Hi guys, Walt Dinosaur here, and today's secret word is the word. Go ahead and put that in the comment section down below the video. And I know you're a member of my club. See you soon. Click the subscribe button below for a lot more fun videos. Also, click the bell button to be notified every time I make a new video. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos. And if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.